training of engineers in Bihar in seismic engineering with a special focus of urban design, constructions. Expert faculty from IIT Bombay, Professor Ravi Sinha and Professor Alok Goel. Organized by National Disaster Management Authority, Disaster Management Department, Government of Bihar and Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. This is held in Patna at an exhibition of CM Secretariat, July 12 to 16, 2007 for 1 week. The first day, day 1, instructions of training program, induction of participant etc. There are 18 technical sessions. In technical session 1, introduction to seismic risk by Ravi Sinha. Technical session 2, principle of structural dynamics, Professor Alok Goel. And technical session 3, earthquake resistant design philosophy by R.S. Ravi Sinha. On the second day, day 2, July 13, 2007, technical session 4, structural system for seismic safety by Ravi Sinha. Technical session 5, analysis of earthquake forces, new and existing building, part 1 by Professor Alok Goel. Technical session 6, analysis for earthquake forces, new and existing building, part 2, Professor Alok Goel. Technical session 7, analysis for earthquake forces, new and existing building, part 3 by Professor Alok Goel. On third day, Saturday, July 14, 2007, technical session 8, analysis for earthquake forces, new and existing building, part 4 by Professor Alok Goel. Technical session 9, design and detailing of new buildings and capacity evaluation of existing buildings, part 1. Now in technical session 9, design and detailing of new buildings, capacity evaluation of existing buildings by Ravi Sinha. And technical session 10, design and detailing of new buildings and capacity evaluation of existing building, part 2 by Ravi Sinha. The technical session 11, design and detailing of new buildings and capacity evaluation of existing building, part 3 by Ravi Sinha. On fourth day, that is Sunday, July 15, 2007, the technical session 12, repair and rehabilitation of objectives of candidate assessment of buildings by Ravi Sinha. Technical session 13, rapid visual safety assessment of buildings by Professor Alok Goel. Technical session 14, material for repair of buildings by Ravi Sinha. And technical session 15, repair and rehabilitation option by Professor Alok Goel, IIT Bombay. And on the fifth day, on Monday, July 16, 2007, technical session 16, simplified rehabilitation by Professor Alok Goel, who is an eminent expert of National Disaster Management Authority. And technical session 17, systematic rehabilitation by Professor Ravi Sinha, who is also an expert of National Disaster Management Authority and professor at IIT Bombay. Technical session 18, open session for discussions and review in case of study of participants. And lastly, but not the least, concluding sessions. Now, why this is most important for the engineers or trainers for government of Bihar? Because earthquake have resulted in some of the biggest disaster in the area. This is the background. The second one is northern India had some of the most significant earthquake experience for mankind. Third, during the last century, 4 great earthquakes have occurred in the country last over 50 years ago. And fourth, the losses due to earthquake disaster is exponentially rising in recent times. Now, National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA) has recently issued earthquake risks mitigations. How we minimize, how we mitigate the earthquake disasters. Effective disaster management will require massive skill and upgradation of engineers' technical know-how for promoting the earthquake resistance building. Thank you.